Sanibonani bangani bami, ngiyanamukela. Hello friends and welcome back. Today we are learning new words. Namhlanje sifunda amagama amasha. Our first word, igama lokuqala, amehlo, which means eyes. You can use the word amehlo in a sentence like sibona ngamehlo, which means we see with our eyes. Let me repeat that again. Sibona ngamehlo, which means we see with our eyes. The next word is amanzi, which means water. Let me repeat that. Amanzi, which means water. And we use this in a sentence like sigeza ngamanzi, which means we bathe with water. I'll repeat that again. Sigeza ngamanzi. The next word is abantu, which means people. Let me repeat that. Abantu, which means people. We use that in a sentence like abantu bayadla, which means people are eating. Let me repeat that again. Abantu bayadla. People are eating. And the final word is amandla, which means muscles. And the way that is used in the sentence is usisi ukhulisa amandla akhe, which means the woman is growing her muscles. Let me repeat that again. Usisi ukhulisa amandla akhe, which means the woman is growing her muscles. Phew, that has made me super thirsty. We will leave it here for today. Siyivala lana namhlanje. Before I go, let's do today's affirmation. I contribute my talents to help those around me. Nginikela amathalente ami ukusiza laba abangizungezile. Okay then, see you soon. Goodbye.